So how y'all doing? The move is underway. Yep. But, you know, there's always problems during a move, right? We had one. Just a minor problem, right? Look at this. Yeah. The whole thing's all bent out of shape now. Look at that. Yeah. One problem after another here. Let me go show you the new workspace and the plans I got going on here. So this is our new work table. And I was thinking, I got this shelf I can set a tripod on. And I can put the tripod over here about where the door is. Got a nice window here, a nice window there, you know. Probably gonna clean up the walls here. Maybe put some pegboard up or something, I don't know. Definitely gonna do a little painting. Got this area underneath here, I'll throw some tools under there. You know, a little something. But over here, I was thinking about using skids for shelves, but because, you know, they kind of look cool, but I changed my mind. I'm just gonna go with old school 2x6s. I'll just bite the bullet and get some 2x6s and build some shelves. I think I'll throw a little paint on the wall too, just to help brighten it up. You know, it's all dark and dingy down here. But I got this spot back here. This is where I want to keep my firewood, as you can see. I'm thinking I might get 2 cord in here. It's a decent size. I'm a trash guy, so I do everything in yardage. So my best guess would be I'm probably pushing 20 yards worth of space. So I think 2, maybe even 3 cord if I stack it. But if you know me, I never stack. Never. It's wasted energy as far as I'm concerned. Unless you got it outside and want it to look pretty, I don't usually stack. My big dilemma here, check out, I'm starting to get some saws up here. They're waiting on shelves. Big dilemma here is I need this corner. I'm going to be recording some music. You know, I got my music equipment sitting here. I got a whole bunch more coming, but I got to record some music. So I'm going to throw it here in the corner with some carpet. And, you know, I'm going to have issues. So I think this cabinet's going to have to get shifted down a bit, which is going to put it too close to the stove. So I think since I got to pull the stove out anyway, it's got this issue going on up here. It needs insulated pipe proper, you know. This is not the right way of doing things. I'll end up going getting some insulated pipe and fixing that. But I think I'm going to kick the stove up here a couple of feet, maybe to the edge of the tires, maybe a little further. I may even move that. That's going to be my parts shelf, but I might even move that out of here altogether and throw shelves over there. I could do that. It would just be for parts storage, you know. So it doesn't necessarily need to be right here. But we'll see. Eventually, I plan on putting a lathe there, maybe a little drill press. Just one of those little mini lathes, not a big full-size one. But one of those, and probably a drill press with a milling setup on it. That's kind of the plan here. I think when I hit this whole basement with a coat of paint, or I spent a lot of time on a farm, so like, you knowing me, I might even just whitewash it old school. And here we are outside of the basement. I'm thinking about throwing a table here just so I can tinker outside too, you know? Throw it right in there. Might even throw a wall up or something. I don't know. We'll see. Now, I'm planning on sending out another saw. Or 2, I don't know. I'm sure you're all familiar with Mac 131. I want to send him a saw to tinker with, and I can't decide which one to send him. You know, I'm in one of those situations. I have so many to pick from, I can't decide. But I think I got an idea. I think. I'm just sending it to him to do whatever he wants with. He can keep it. I don't want it back. So whatever he chooses to do is entirely up to him. He can keep it, give it away, port it, whatever he wants to do. I find, you know, I'm like you guys. I'm entertained by watching his videos just as much as you guys are. You know, I find it interesting. Now, I guess if you've all noticed, Tasman received the XL130, and he's playing with it currently. So hopefully we get to see some videos soon. I'm probably more anxious than any of you guys. I want to see it. You know, I kind of want to build him a hotter one. That one's not, you know, it's not cranked up or nothing, but it's definitely got some juice to it, if you know what I mean. But I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. Maybe I'll build him a hotter one of these days. We'll see. But shouldn't be long. We're going to be back up and running in the new workspace and pumping more saws out. Should be easier too, because should be a little more organized and easier to work, if you know what I mean. The other situation was just extremely cramped and hard to deal with, and the new one is going to be set up exactly the way I want it. You know, the old one just kind of developed over a course of 10 years of playing with saws. So I think I'm gonna enjoy being able to lay this out the way I want it. The only issue I got is figuring out a grinding station. So we'll see where that goes. So I was gonna fire up a saw for you, but apparently I'm out of fuel. I need to go get more fuel. So maybe the next one. I'm gonna fire that pulling up, and I got some chunks of firewood here. I'm gonna stick it into and see what it does. See if it tunes up like it should. You know, we're kind of free porting on that one a little wee bit, so I'm kind of curious to see how it runs. But we'll see. Alrighty, hey, till the next one, later.